Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another interesting video. How you all doing? I appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel, my viewers, my returning subscribers, and my new subscribers. If you're meeting me for the first time, I'm Happiness and you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Guys, in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys the soup you can make to clean your stomach. This is the soup eastern part of Nigeria normally prepare when they give birth a new mother to take and wash every dirty thing in her stomach. So guys, if you're the type that always have stomach hard, your stomach is hard when you go to toilet or toilet is hard, once in a while prepare this soup and make sure you take the water, enough water, and make sure it's pepperish. By the time you take it all, you trust me, your stomach will go down. You're going to experience what I've not experienced before, guys. I do it once in a while. This is the ingredient I'm using to prepare it. This ingredient, you'll find it in Africa, in the eastern part of Nigeria, you'll find it. Oman have it, so you have it here in Arab. So once in a while, I make this soup, guys, and it helps me. So you guys should try it. If you feel like free your stomach, try this soup. You're gonna like it, and you will tell me thank you. Please like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell so you will notify each time I post a new video. Happiness, love you guys. Yalla, bye. Watch the video, guys.